Pakistan is a strategic stronghold, it's an agricultural economy and it has a flourishing port. Yet up to 77 million people over here live under poverty and struggle to earn their daily bread. According to a study conducted by Oxfam, the jump from 60 to 77 million under poverty has come because of inflation in food items. As it is, Pakistan's poverty is the cause for concern, with the country being ranked at 134 out of 177 countries on the Human Development Index, with food, clothing and shelter being a luxury for many. At least 40 million school-age children are not able to afford education, while if you walk into a low-income settlement, even having a pair of shoes is a luxury. I went to one of the low-income settlements that lies right next to Karachi's industrial area to have a look at the ground reality.
असर तो बहुत बड़ा है, जैसे पहले जिस तरह थी, यानी कि हम लोग पैसे कमाते थे उसमें कुछ हमारी बचत हो जाती थी, ये है कि बच्चों का खर्चा निकल जाता था। खाने में तो फ़र्क बहुत आया है। जिस तरह पहले खाते थे हम लोग किस्म किस्म की 2-3 डिशें बनाते थे घर में, अब उस हिसाब से जब मार्केट जाते हैं यानी कि सब्ज़ी लेने, गोश्त वगैरह लेने के लिए, तो इतनी हद तक महंगाई हो गई है कि एक चीज़ उठा के हम लोग एक डिश मुश्किल बना लेते हैं।
Indeed, food prices have been the cause of much misery. Low-income groups can't afford a decent meal, which they could do a year ago. And with prices for essential nutrients going up, it is impacting on other spheres of life, such as healthcare, electricity, transport and education, among the many other services that were once affordable to the masses, but not anymore.
जब घर का गुजारा भी नहीं होता है, अभी 1 किलो आटा लगा, घर का 6 बच्चा है, कैसे गुजारा होगा हम लोग का? कपड़ा लत्ता, ईद में हम लोग कपड़ा नहीं बनाने सका इस दफा। जब बिजली का बिल भी ऐसे हुआ आशर में लोग का, अभी 2 महीना से बिजली का बिल भी नहीं भर सका।
Standards of living are falling, and in order to have a healthy society, one needs a healthy environment. Otherwise, the long-term effects are disastrous. A study conducted by World Hunger concludes that in the long term, food inflation can be the cause of low-income groups getting stuck in the poverty trap, as it reduces people's ability to work and learn. Poverty can also result in an unhygienic environment and disease, as people struggle to maintain their sewage lines and a clean supply of water.
دلته کې دی ګندونو ته وګوره، اوبه نه ملاویږي، ګیس نشته دی، دومره تباهي ده. نن مې په 900 یو ټانکۍ اچولی، 15 ورځې وشي، بس بیا ختمې.
It must be remembered that people living in lower income settlements do have an income. Most of them are employed and were living much better lives before the unprecedented price hike. The government of Pakistan estimates that 25% of the population over here lives under the poverty line, but NGOs put that figure at 50%. Given the inflationary pressures being faced by society, especially in food items, people are finding it impossible to make ends meet. Abid Hasan, Dawn News, Karachi.